Hello guys, so today I'm going to walk you through how I made this thermal heat animation using After Effects without plugin, just the inbuilt effect on After Effects. So let's get to it. So first thing first, I created a composition where my logo will be placed. So you can place anything on this particular composition. I name it as main logo. So if you go back, the effect will change. So anything you place here, it will update automatically. So I created this shape, right? I'll just show you what the parameters I use. So it's a polyester shape. So these are the parameters I use on the shape, right? So let me expand this so you see. So these are the parameters I used. So you can use anyone that fits your style. You can make it 6 or 7. You can make the size 6. You can make it 4. So it depends on what you want to achieve with your bit. This is the shape I made. Then the next thing I created was the displacement comp. So I created this displacement comp. The size I use is normal 1080 by 1920 by 1080, so HD size. So I made this and I apply outer glow and inner glow. So for the outer glow, these are the parameters I use for the outer glow. So you can pause the video and see. Then for the inner glow, these are the parameters as well I used. So after that, now remember when I created this displacement composition, I brought in the logo, then I applied those stuff. So the composition did not just bring in this logo automatically. So the next thing I will create is the gradient. So on my gradient, I created still 1920 by 1080. Let me remove all the effects so you see step by step what I did. So I created the gradient. It's a normal regular gradient, linear ramp. So you can as well take the parameters I used. Yeah. Then after that, I added a colorama, stuff. So this is it. So if you go to the output, then the output, yeah. So for the output, this is what I did. So what I would do is I'm going to give you the different color code for each of these, so it will be easier for you to pick the exact color. So after that, what I did, I added an expression. So if I click on the BG background and hit E 2 times, it will bring out the expression time. So I just made a simple time expression on the phase shift. So what I did was, if you hold Alt on your keyboard and click on this time icon on the phase shift, you cannot type. So let me just quickly do that, and let me take away this. Let me just copy this so I don't have to do it 2 times. So this is how it is before, so no animation at all. So I hold Alt on my keyboard and press this, then I type in time times 360 divided by 3 to give me this movement that you see here, right? Then the next thing I did was to add the turbulence displace. Turbulence displace will make distort the image, so like this. So these are the parameters, just in case you want to copy exactly what I did for the turbulence display. These are the parameters. Then for the fast blow, I added fast blow, just increase the radius to 40, then iteration to 3. And don't forget to click on the repeat edge, right? So that's what I did for the gradient. So my last composition is the thermal heat animation. This composition, you can create any type of composition you want to create. You can make it a 1920 by whatever thing you want to create. So that's that. So I brought in the gradient and the displacement composition, right? So let me off this. So I created the background. there's no special effect with the background, just a black background. Then I brought in the displacement and the gradient. I track marked the gradient to the displacement, right? Then on the gradient, what I did was I added a time displacement. So you can go to your effects and preset and type in time displacement. It will appear, and I add it to the gradient. Then on the time displacement, what I did was to the time displacement layer, I place it on the displacement, which is number 5 on my layers. So I change this and I choose displacement, right? So displacement. So this is the gradient. If I reset it, nothing is happening. Let me just take this back. So these are it is, right? I just have to reset. So let me put it on none. So currently nothing is happening, right? So for the time displacement, I pick my displacement map. That's where I got this. That's how I got this effect, right? So the next thing I did was to track mark this gradient to the displacement. Just come here and you have this. So once you do that, you just have this simple. So basically, this is how you create this animation, right? This is how you create the animation from scratch. The reason why you are seeing this here is because of the displacement. We add this outer glow, the outer glow. So that's why you. So this extra glow you are seeing on the edge of the logo. The reason for that is this outer glow we added on the logo. So if, for example, I take this out, you see now we don't have that again, but it's still fine, very beautiful. We still have that, but if I put it back, it comes back. So if I take this out, so this is the reason why we added outer glow and the inner glow, so that we can have this good sweetness. Yes, so let me use that word sweetness, right? So that's how you create this animation. So you can actually use it for a lot of things, very, very beautiful and stuff like that. If I take the track mark, it's still fine, So the other things I added was just simple. The other thing I added was simple noise. That is that, my friends. So don't forget, please, this is very important to me. Please try and follow me on my Instagram. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube, and please turn on the notification icon so that in case I drop any video, you'll be the first to see